Hello everyone, welcome back to another video. This is day 97 of my coding journey. So yeah, not too much going on today. I have some bootcamp assignments that I have to do, and I believe I have 2 quizzes. After I finish up with all of those, I plan on working on some of my projects. The first project I'm going to work on is my Tailwind. I want to try to get this ready for deployment. And yeah, there's a few things that I want to change. The first things first, I want to remove this SVG for the header. Just don't look right. And for me to do that, I gotta mess with the image sizing and this little pink circle in the background again. So that might take a little bit. And I also want to add some more logos, because as you can see, before it resets, it shows like a little bit of white space here, and I don't like that. So I'm gonna add some more logos so it can reset at a perfect time, and so you won't see that the end of it. See, look, the end's right here, and then so I'm just gonna add some logos so then when it resets, it just looks more natural. And then down here, I want to add maybe like a pink gradient for the middle package. And also I got to change some of the data on here. So we got 2 dreamers, and change some pricing on this one, and also make this section responsive, because this section here isn't responsive yet. I gotta watch the time. And then the about us section, it's almost complete. It looks good on large and up viewports, but whenever I hit medium, which is right here, I want to fix this up. This box is a little bit too big, so what I might do is make it a little bit smaller, center the text and stuff like that. So that should be really easy. And the contact section, I believe, needs a little bit of work. So whenever I hit that looks okay. Maybe make this a little bit bigger. And okay, that looks good on mobile. Okay, that's nice. All right, so that's already done. Just got a few changes with that. And footer looks great. I already made this responsive, so whenever I come in, it goes, and then it turns into flex direction column. So that's done. And then also I got flex wrap on the newsletter, so whenever I come in down, the subscribe button goes a little bit smaller, and then yep. I don't know how to explain it, but that's that. So I might work on this and try to get this deployed. And like I said, it's not fully complete yet, but I think it's enough to deploy it. And then whenever I make changes to it, I can just literally update the server, and the changes will be live. So that's the good thing. A few changes that I do want to make in the future. Like I said, I want to add modal pop-ups. So whenever I click shipping policy, I mean, it obviously have to change because we don't have anything shipping, but whenever I click like one of these policies, I want a modal to pop up with the policy. And I also want to try dark mode as well. So whenever I click this little moon icon, maybe it turns into a sun, and then it turns into dark mode. I'm not sure if I can do that with this color scheme that I've chose, but it's worth a try. I just want to see if I can do it. And yeah, so those are the changes I'm going to make today or tonight. And hopefully I can get this deployed tonight or maybe tomorrow. And that way you guys can see it. And if I do deploy it, it'll be at antoniorogers.com/imagine. So yeah, that's that. The next project I'm going to work on is Tripper. If you guys just now watching my videos, I've been working on Tripper for like 2.5 months now. I literally started this project on camera. I remember the first thing I made was the nav bar, and it just turned into this whole big project, and it's looking really nice, and I'm really proud of this. So I might work on this tonight after I finish the Tailwind project. So I want to work on, I still have to change this to vacations, this about section. So I believe it was like 3 videos or 4 videos back, I created this layout for the cruise page. So all of the blue sections represents where I'm gonna put content. I actually have, let's see if I still got the wireframe for it. I think this is it. So let's see. I think this is it. Okay, yep, perfect. I thought I would probably delete this by now, but I did it. All right, so this is how I want the cruise page to look. So I got the header. I'm gonna have 4 cards, which I already got. and I'm gonna have our partners. So it's gonna be like cruise partners, and it's gonna have some logos here. Maybe like they're gonna be big logos because I really like this sizing of this box right here. It's gonna be like, it's probably be a little bit more than 5 logos. And then I got 4 more cards, and then I'm gonna have an image with a text paragraph. So it's gonna be something like on the destinations page. Ignore the blue, it's gonna load blue because I got blue for the header, but it's gonna change. So it's gonna be something like this down at the bottom of it, just like an image with like a little small text, or I mean small little title, and maybe like a paragraph or something. So I made the layout, so I might start putting stuff in. I might do the header tonight, might do the logo section, and this is where the image and the the image and the paragraph is gonna go. So I might do one of these sections tonight, or yeah, or maybe I need to fix these cards as well, because I know this image is going off, so I gotta change the image for this, and I still have to put different data in for this last one. I got so lazy, I copied and pasted. I was on the last one, I was like, you know what, I'm copying and pasting the other one to this one. So I gotta change the data for that one. And yeah, so this page is looking really good. This is probably so far the best looking page on the site. In my opinion, it's not even done. I just like the way the cards look. It looks so nice. And the contact page is done. It just takes so long to load. I don't know why everything's taking, like, I've compressed all my images. I just don't understand why everything is taking so long to load. But yeah, so the contact page is done. Got a little animation. So yeah, this page is good and done. So yeah, I'm gonna work on the cruise page tonight, my Tailwind project, and that's really it. And I'll see you guys tomorrow. Peace.